Today I'm going to show you how to sign up for a free Library of Philadelphia online library card. First, you're going to go to freelibrary.org and you should be taken to the Free Library of Philadelphia website. On the right hand side there's a login and a donate button. Under that there's a get library card link. Click on that. And then if you scroll down the page, there's information on who can get a card, how to get a card, and what you can do with your card. So you can look at that later, but for today, we're going to sign up online. So under how to get a card, you're going to click on online. You will probably be prompted right before this page for you to check a box that says, yes, I'm 13 years or older, and that's how old you have to be in order to get an online library card. So as long as you're 13 and up, you're going to fill out this form. Anything that has a red star, you're going to fill in and make sure it's accurate. If you have any questions, make sure you ask a member of the MASH library staff or one of your teachers. Once you have everything filled out that has a red star, you're going to scroll to the bottom. Just make sure you have every box filled in. And under Home Library, what I did is I scrolled to the top. Since Philadelphia has so many different library branches, I chose the very first one listed, which is Andorra Library, just so I know for whatever purpose that's my home library. I chose preferred language, and then I checked the I'm not a robot box and clicked on next. And give it a second and it should give you a prompt on the next screen about your account. And now it looks like I have an official Mechanicsburg Area Library Free Library of Philadelphia card. So you can look through this information. Here's my digital library card, and it gives you information about what you have access to, and what we're signing up for today is ebooks and audiobooks because they have a huge collection that we don't have access to unless we get a free library card. So I'm going to scroll down, and then where it says get started now, I can log in. And it's going to prompt you for your library card number and PIN number, which you don't have yet, but you will have to open up your email address. So whatever email you use to sign up for this free Library of Philadelphia card, you'll check that email and you'll have gotten one that includes your card number and PIN number. So I went into my email and it looks like I did in fact get a card number and a PIN number. So you'll have to do that, but I will show you my account. And I am not going to check keep me logged in. I'll just log in. And it looks like I now have an account. I have nothing checked out, no holds, no fines, obviously because I just got my account. And it says verify your account, which I will do later, and it gives me an expiration date. So I now have a Free Library of Philadelphia e-card that is good until February 9th, 2020.